Hi, and welcome to Hair and Makeup with Morgan. I'm your host, and this is my guest, Kaylee. Now today we're going to learn how to do a double braid, but before doing so, you need to grab a few items. First, you'll need a comb, then you'll need 2 hair ties, and lastly, you'll need a chair, which is optional depending on the height of the individual. Now before you begin, you'll want to smooth out the individual's hair, and I've already done so it's already pretty smooth, and then you'll want to split the hair in half, tying off one of the sides as you do the other side. Then we'll begin the other side of the head by forming a triangle using both the hairline, or the part that we've already made, and the forehead as 2 sides of the triangle. Then taking that chunk of hair, we'll split it into 3 sections, taking one of the outside sections and laying it over the middle section. Then we'll lay this other piece, this other outside piece down, and we'll grab our comb and pick it up as well as another bit of hair. And again, we'll lay it in the middle section, wrapping the other underneath of it. And you'll continue this process again and again, and you can use a comb if you want, just for a more straight part. But I'm going to use my fingers just for time's sake. Again, just grabbing a portion of the hair and laying it over top of that middle section. You'll continue this process again and again until you've reached either the neckline or the tips of the hair. Now, some girls decide not to go to the tips because it does break the ends of the hair, or it can, and so it creates split ends, and therefore you'd need a haircut a little bit sooner. So we'll just continue this pattern, and then you'll want to flip over to the other side when you're finished. Back forward a little bit. Now there's other types of braids that I will show you here in just a minute, but as we reach the neck, you just then start braiding like normal. You no longer pick up any more hair because there's no more hair to pick up, at least on this side. So we'll stop right there in the middle, which you can do as well. Then I will quickly show you some of the other options that you have for braids. And those are the middle braid. And again, that one was cut off at the neck, and then around the head, and so on and so forth. Well, that's all the time we have for this show. We'll catch you next time on Hair and Makeup with Morgan.